Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I customize my lace frontals using my very own hair from my very own hair company, Sugaplums Hair Collection. So stay tuned. So here's my unit. I just bleached the knots and washed the hair, and now she is ready to be prepped and styled. So after you've got everything pinned down and in the right place, you want to get some mousse. It doesn't matter what kind of mousse that you use. Once you have everything together and ready to be styled, you just want to push everything going towards the back. This just gives you a better direction of how you will need to pluck your hair and make your hairline visible so that you can see. So as you can see, I've just applied my mousse. And I'm starting on one side, so I go from one side and transition to the other. And what you want to do is get a thin layer of the front of your hairline, and you want to comb that out. So once you have everything in position, you want to get your tweezers, and you want to make sure that they're not too sharp and also not too dull. And you just want to begin to start plucking. So how I pluck going in a backwards position. So it's going away from the body, away from the lace. And I take long strokes. I don't like to stay in one position for too long because then you will begin to bald your lace, and you do not want that to happen. No over plucking over here, okay? But you just want to take long strokes, making sure that you're not staying in the same place for too long. And also you want to pull away from the frontal. So if you get to that point where the hair is in the way, or you can't really see your hairline the way that you need to, then get a brush, get a comb, get something and scrape that hair right on out of the way and just continue to pluck. So me personally, I'm not a fan of over pluck closures or frontals. If you're my customer, I like to make it to where you can get a realistic hairline look, and I pluck it to a minimum. And once you receive the unit, you can go back in and pluck it how you desire. But I do not like over plucking at all. So as you can see, I just finished plucking the back end of my lace. So now I'm just focusing on that first thin layer that we took out in the beginning, and I'm thinning that out. Once I have that thinned out, I just push it back so that I can see how it looks without the baby hairs, if my customer decides to go with it, and to make sure that it's of my liking and it just has a natural look. So once everything is up to your liking, you want to go back in and get that thin layer of hair that we took out in the beginning. And you want to get either some shears, or with me, I'm getting a razor. And I am going to begin to just cut, not too short, but also not too long, so that I can begin to customize the hairline. So as you can see, I'm going back in with my mousse, and I'm just giving my hairline a molded look. I'm not going to begin to customize my hairline just yet. I want to go over to the other side and finish that up first, and then we will jump back into the hairline customization. So we're now on the other side, and you just want to follow through with those same steps. You want to mold it with some mousse, you want to pluck going in a backwards position, so away from your face, away from the lace. Hey, away from your face, away from the lace. I like that. And last but not least, you want to take long strokes, okay? I don't know if I mentioned that, but if you stay in one spot for too long and you're plucking in short strokes, you won't get the results that you want, okay? This hair, like I mentioned in the beginning, is from my hair company, Sugaplums Hair Collection, and this is a lace frontal unit. The unit on my website is called Trinity, and it's using 3 bundles of my Daring Deep Wave texture with the matching frontal. So this is typically the hairline look that I go for, not too thick and also not over plucked, because I want it to look natural, okay? So you want to go through and follow those same steps, get either your shears or your razor, and begin to cut away what you would call your baby hairs. And also we're going to go in with some mousse and begin to mold your hairline down. So being that my customer wanted a right parting, I'm going to go in and begin to part it. So whatever you desire, how you want your wig to come out, either a middle part, a left part, or right parting, go ahead and make your mark so that we can mold everything into place. So once that's been taken care of, I'm going to go back in with more mousse and begin to style it the way that I like. Make sure that you are covering those tracks if you are using a handmade or machine-made unit, so that nothing is left to be seen, okay? So now you want to continue styling with your comb, and this time we're going to get that layer back out into place. And we're going to begin to shape the baby hairs in the desired look that we would like. So this is something that you would just have to watch me do, because everybody has a different way of styling their baby hairs, but I'm not going to go into much details. It's more they watch me do it and you take action and replicate what I'm doing. So keep watching. Crying in my pillowcase, isn't nothing, a something.
different. Something deep inside got me wondering why I don't understand why I can't put my finger on what the fuck is all this missing. You're distant, expanding. Don't ask questions usually. Got the answers that I need. Intuition telling me. I just have a bad feeling. Don't know why, I don't know what it was. Really, but the more we touch, the more it starts killing me. Just have a bad feeling, killing me. Looking in your eyes, I've been feeling like I'm crazy. Cause I'm going through your phone, look for something wrong, I can't find nothing. I must be tripping, trying to listen to my intuition say you're guilty. So baby, just tell me. Never asked before, but right now I don't know what to do. Ask questions usually. Got the answers that I need. Intuition telling me. I just have a bad feeling. Don't know why, I don't know what it was. Really, but the more we touch, the more it starts killing me. Just have a bad feeling, killing me. I'm the first to speak my mind up if I feel away. Not the type to be here crying in my pillowcase. Isn't nothing or something. Ooh, I just have a bad feeling. Don't know, I don't know what it
So this is the final look after I have molded everything down into place and customized my personal baby hairs. And last but not least, don't forget the trick of applying your Got To Be Free spray to have your baby hairs mold into place and to stay in place. And you're going to let that sit overnight.
Something deep inside got me wondering why I don't understand why I can't put my finger on what the fuck is all this missing. You're distant, expanding.
So this is the next day and these are the results. Isn't this so pretty and laid? Now you see me going back in with my weightless coconut oil hydrating mist, and I'm just saturating the hair in this. And all this does is gives the hair a nice natural shine, and also the product is very weightless, so the hair won't be weighed down by any oil or extra product.
Looking in your eyes, I've been feeling like I'm crazy. Cause I'm going through your phone, look for something wrong, I can't find nothing. I must be tripping, trying to listen to my intuition say you're guilty. So baby, just tell me.
Hey girl, hey. So I'm about to try on the unit and I want you guys to see how it looks without any wig combs or an elastic band. As you can see, it looks so natural, like straight scalp honey, okay?
Don't know why, I don't know what it was. Really, but the more we touch, the more it starts killing me.
So I'm going to go in and apply my elastic band and wig combs, and I'll be back with the finished results.
Speak my mind up if I feel away. Not the type to be here crying in my pillow.
So here is how the unit looks with the wig combs and the elastic band. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to put it on. You just put those wig combs under the elastic band and throw that hair back, honey, okay? Make sure you adjust everything in the front. This customer had a 23-inch head circumference and my head is like a 21-inch, hence me pulling the hair back. But it will fit her head perfectly fine. So this is how everything looked once I let the hair air dry overnight and I molded the baby hairs into place. So here you see me spraying the weightless oil mist once again just to get more shine into the hair. But look at how pretty this curl pattern is. Like, If she wasn't already taken, I would cut this lace off and keep it for myself, but hold on, pause. Do y'all see how natural the lace is against my skin? Like, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. And here I'm just showing you how super flat everything is and how it will not go anywhere, okay? But again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.